What's going on? Cyrus Bloodhound back with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to get a lively wallpaper such as this one. So first off, you go to Google, right? Because where else would you be going? So you look up lively wallpaper. It's this one. If it's not Rock's Danister, it won't work. Okay, so you got to install this one. Okay, but I'm not going to install it because I already have it right here. And then you search up Mo Walls. Um, Mo Walls. This one. Okay, so then you're here. You go to whatever you want to download, whatever you're looking for, right? There's sections you can do. That one looks really cool. I might do that one later. Oh, that one looks awesome. Here, let's give it a little play. Alright, so you download. Takes about 20 seconds, usually. Okay, now that I have that, I open up Lively Wallpapers. And from here, it's pretty simple. You add, hit open, you add whatever one you decided on. You don't have to add a description or author or website. You can if you want, but it's just a waste of time, in my personal opinion. You'll add that up, okay, and then you click it, and it's done. You can even play with some of the settings if you want, so like customize, and then you can mess with the saturation and hue. You know what I mean? So you can play around with this as much as you want. Um, Contrast is pretty cool, and then you can turn down the brightness and get like a really cool contrast. Whatever you'd want to do. I'm gonna keep my Winter Fox because I think it's awesome. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and peace out.